With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, find the rotational kinetic energy of 2 kg oxygen molecule at 1 atm pressure and density of oxygen is given, it is 2.03 into 10 to the power 5 kilogram per meter cube. Now if you see here, we know that the 1 atm pressure, that is the atmospheric pressure, it is equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, that is Newton per meter square. Density is given, and if I write down the ideal gas equation, it is PV is equals to nRT. So here the density is given, so what we will do, we will, if you cross multiply this V, it will be, and if I multiply both sides the molar mass. Now if you see here the total mass, it will be molar mass times the number of mole, right? So if you see here the total mass by volume, it will be density only is equals to rho RT, right? So density times the universal gas constant time the temperature will be equals to this. Now we want the rotational kinetic energy, right? And we know that the total degree of freedom in a diatomic gas is equals to 5. Out of this, 3 is in translational kinetic energy and 2 is rotational kinetic energy. Now if you see here, I will write down this rotational kinetic energy. So we know that equipartition law, from equipartition law, we know that the each degree of freedom have nRT. So if you see the rotational kinetic energy nRT by 2, have degree of freedom 2, so I will write down 2 into nRT by 2. So it is nRT only. Now you can just see here that we know the RT, we can know the RT value from here. So I will write down this RT is equals to molecular mass, pressure times molecular mass by rho. So we will just put the value. So if I write down the rotational kinetic energy, it is nRT. So if you see, now the number of mole, it will be total mass by the molar mass, right? Number of mole is total mass by the molar mass, right? So we can just put the value of number of mole. We put the value of n, and this is pm by rho. So this will get cancelled out, and finally we will write down the rotational kinetic energy is simply total mass by rho. So you can just put the value. So it is 2 kg and it is 5. It is 0.03, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5. So these two will get cancelled out. This will get cancelled out by 2. It will be 1 joule. And this will be the answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.